Hello there! Today, you need to have 5 kinds of different fabrics. So now, let's get started. The first thing we are gonna do is lay all the fabrics right size up and then take and fold it in half. Next, we're gonna put it on the edge. This goes this way. And the next one goes that way there. The last one was folded. We're just gonna do is lift it up and put the last one under there and then put that back. Stitch along the line, you know. I'm clipping the edge because this is gonna make it easier when you turn it right side out. Now turn it right side out. One more step, your tea coaster is complete. So now you just need to press it with your iron. See, is it possible to make 12 pieces of tea coasters in a day, isn't it? Alright guys, thank you for watching me. See you next video. Bye!